Hi, my name is Marius, and in this demo, we're going to discuss about Lab 2. For my own part, I am going to discuss about Chapter 3, which is the discovery of network services. The objective of this demo is to show or demonstrate how network services were discovered from an attacker perspective after completing the host discovery that we did on Lab 1. And after this stage is not the purpose of exploiting, but just identifying the services that were being discovered by hosts and how to organize it and analyze the vulnerability. In this demo, we're going to focus mostly on identifying the listening ports. You're also going to enumerate the service banner. We're going to store and organize our result, and we're going to prepare the protocol target list. So, this starting with this demo, we have the three diagram, which I already have it open here. So this is our working directory, which is the pen test directory, and this is a tree with all the elements that we gonna use or that I already performed, but I'm gonna do it again. And we have the target .txt, which we're gonna use most of the time for our commands, and we have all the other directories that were being generated when doing the lab. So, moving forward, we have to. I'm going to start by quickly showing the common port scan. So I launch an nmap with this command nmap with this command. What does this command does basically? This command it's like for pn it like skip the ping the ncp ping section, and for n it disable the dns, and for p it scan the selected common attacker port attack port, and for il it reads the target ip, and for OA, the output result is being shown with the nmap format, kind of. So let's run this again. I did it already, right here. So here is the result. So if you see, I selected kind of number of ports. Then for each VM, it gives me the enumerate the services, then the state. And just to take note in this section, if you see open, it's obviously open port. Filter, it's most likely to be closed, but like it filters like if had has like firewall implemented, and you're gonna see also many ports are closed for some VMs. You have open, open, close, open, open, close. So yeah, there we go. And this one, most of all of them are filtered. Says might be closed, but still open for some connections or some traffic. Um, Next thing we're gonna discuss is we're gonna review the scan results, which we can do it from here. Let me open it for you. So here we have the scan results. Here the scan results show I selected for this example the open ports, which in this file it shows in the text in the parse with text tools, and also it shows the filter out close port and provides a fast overview of the exposed services that we're gonna work with. And yep, there. The next point is we're gonna do like a full TP port scan for all the ports. The purpose here is to scan all the useful ports that the attacker can assume services are running only on the default port. This ensures they know listening service is missed. So here is it that I've already launched. Normally, it takes time in order to launch it, and also a parameter in the textbook that I changed is that here it's supposed to be 5,000, but I tried the 5,000, and the the VM crash ID was always overloaded. So I changed it and I put on 500, and most of the thing is timeout, but it's keeping, and I'll restart it again. So here you have, I changed to 500 so that it doesn't like have a pretty much aggressive scanning per se, and to have a better result. After this being generated, we have the folder that I created. We have the XML. We have this folder that's been also generated, and we have the balanced XML that's been generated. And after that, we have to download the basement in order to view the exploited data. And we have also the enumeration that was being created. If you open one of those, you would see the service enumeration, SMP. You will see the open ports, see the like potential users account and authorization. Here we will see like a vivid of how the services are being opened depending on the Windows you're working on. Let's say this one, you're on the Windows Server 2008, and we see the vulnerabilities inside. And in this slide, I'm gonna go over and pass to Ibrahim for the chapter 4 presentation. Thank you.